Hi everyone, Sistah Doctor here. Now I have something really special to share. Hey, Sistah Doctor coming to you again to share some truth to empower and resources to heal. A little while ago, Princess Ray and I did a video reviewing the Kenya dolls that we had and telling you all about them, and they are some of Princess Ray's favorite dolls. When I first found out that those dolls were back in stock and had been reissued, I was really excited and started following their Facebook page. And one of the things that I found out around the holiday time, they had this special giveaway that if you shared the story of how you found out about the dolls and your experience with them, that you were in a drawing. And guess what? I won! And so what we have here is the doll that I was sent. And because I was able to find some of the regular Kenya dolls online, but could not find, or in the stores here I mean, but couldn't find the baby sister Keyara doll, I asked them if they could send me that, and they did. Isn't it absolutely adorable? I love it. So I'm about to invite Princess Ray in, and she is going to get the surprise of seeing the doll and help me unbox it for you. So, let me cover it up. And we're ready? Yay! Hey Princess Ray, come here for a minute. I have something to show you. Hey sweetie, go on. I got something special. Oh, you even brought Layla, who is the other Kenya doll. Show her. Why don't you sit her down, and then I'm going to pull the covers off so that you can see. Ta-da!
Mommy's best friend. My best friend too. It's a baby sister.
It's a baby sister. Turn her around so you can take a look at it.
We found a sister.
Isn't she cute? You want to help me unbox her? Okay.
First you take this out.
Yes, we have our magic sisters here. We might have to do some of that YouTube magic again, right? So let's...
Maybe we could be magic sisters.
Magic sisters. And this baby's name is Keyara on the box. But you had said earlier that you changed the name of your doll because you didn't want all of them to be named Kenya, right? So we might want to ask people if they have any ideas for names.
I know what her name is.
You know what her name is already? What is it?
It's going to be...
There she is.
Cute.
Look at that curly little hair. It's in 4 puff balls. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's pretty gold earrings. And she's got a little tutu on also. So this one comes with a bottle, since she's the baby sister.
There's nothing in it.
No. I don't think she uses the potty or anything. I think it's just... No. Look here. Nope, no opening. It's not a potty doll. I didn't think it was. She is cute. Look at those chubby little cheeks.
It just goes like that. It doesn't go in the hole.
Doesn't go all the way in, just a little bit in. Okay.
Just doesn't go in at all.
And she got a pretty nose again. Show her to everybody.
She's got some baby. Color fun? Get to color it.
This is also supposed to be a hairstyling doll, so you see that it comes with hairstyling stuff.
I want to help. I'm gonna do the butts. Okay, I'm doing the butts.
So we've got some ponytail beads or pony beads. I don't know what these are
I'm
called.
gonna take out the butts careful because the butts will have tape on them.
6 of those.
Your nails take a look at this.
Looks like there's tape on it, so let's take the tape off.
A
little hair pick.
Mommy need to take the
Will she sit down?
off or this one.
She will.
I'll take off these. Maybe we could do a cute hairstyle.
Now I'm not sure.
Quick.
Yeah. Well, let's just do the barrettes. I'm not sure how it'll do to pick her hair. Sometimes when dolls have really curly hair, folks are afraid to undo the
That's
barrettes and do their
what
hair.
I'm saying about these. When they have when they have dolls like this, you need to be careful because these can be used for other toys. Like you have a model ponytail, you can use it for those.
Right. So if you want to maintain the curls, you have to be careful with them. Because this is just soft and bouncy.
I'm going to do her hair. Okay.
You're going to put some barrettes in, and there's also some of the clear rubber bands. We'll have to play with her some and come back and tell people what that was like.
Play with her?
Yeah.
We get to play with her.
Yeah. Well, you go ahead and do her hair. I'm going to show folks what's on the box real quick, and then we'll do the comparison.
I don't know how to do it. Okay, I'll think of it later.
So on the side, on the front, you see it says Baby Sister Keyara, and it's a beautiful hairstyling Kenyas. She comes with bubble clips, barrettes, and a bottle. I never called these bubble clips, but that's what they're calling bubble clips.
Bubble clips.
So we have that.
B-E-O.
Then on the side here, it talks about how you can make her hair and twist, and have natural hair play and nurturing play. And the back just has, and this baby comes in 3 skin tones also. I think we have, like with the other one, the middle skin tone, the medium brown one. Oh, how cute! You want to bring up Layla real quick so she can see her?
I know, but I'm trying to make this thing go up.
Where?
Like on the level. I thought it was on the level.
Just scoot it up a little. I think that's about as close as we're going to get it.
It maybe needs a show.
You want to put it back down so to show?
Cute.
Want to bring up Layla so we can compare?
No, both play with it. Maybe the both are color green and
Oh, look at that. So now you get a sense of how tall she is.
this
She's
is her
shorter.
baby sister.
Yeah, they made her shorter, and she definitely looks like a little baby with their little cheeks.
She looks the same. They look the same. Because this one definitely looks like she's a big sister and she's little. It definitely, see?
Now this one isn't going to stand. I don't think you'd have to really balance her, but she sits really well.
Oh, she can't sit. I will name her, I don't know her first name, but her last name is going to be Ladybug.
Ladybug, all right. Well, I wonder if any of you all have had Kenya dolls, or if you like them. If you do, share your stories of what you think of your baby dolls too. She has little pretty brown eyes like this one, and that nose I like.
Eyelashes. I wish she had eyelashes.
Yeah, this one doesn't have the real eyelashes like that one. But she's a little younger, so that's probably okay.
Look. Black, brown, brown. I'm going to do something. See if her legs can open. If her legs can open.
She has a little leotard. The skirt comes loose, it
And
looks
I
like.
think that she's a ballerina.
You think she's a ballerina also?
Just like
They've
Layla.
had lots of ballerina babies here. Well, if you have some nice ideas for names, you said you weren't sure about her first name yet. But apparently it needs to be something that goes with Ladybug, because that's going to be her last name. But share your comments
And
of
her
name
name's
ideas.
Ladybug. And her name's Layla.
She's Layla Ladybug.
Lady.
Ladybug.
Yeah, Lady. Her name's Lady.
Well, let's ask folks to share some ideas too. Why don't you ask them?
You could share some ideas too, but until then, her name maybe Lady, but I don't think that's just a name right now. If you guys have any more names, I'll try it one of them.
Yes, please share names. Because right now she's Ladybug.
Please show me.
All right.
Well, let's see.
Well, let's tell everybody thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.
Say bye.
Bye.
And if you like this video or would like to see more about our dolls and some of our favorite things, be sure to
Give me some thumbs up. Now Layla has.
and subscribe.
No, Lilo
Princess
has.
Ray is a little distracted with the baby doll right now. I think we're gonna go have some playtime.
Can I tell you something? And now Lilo has a medium sister and a baby sister, and she's a big sister now.
She's the biggest sister.
And one is 4, she's 1, and she's 5.
And she's gonna be 1 year old. Okay. So we need
Look at our other videos.
Okay. Thanks. Be sure to share this with all your friends. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. This has been Sistah Doctor and Princess Ray.
Can we go play with her now?
Yes, you can go play with her now. Remember, this has been Sistah Doctor, your resource for more truth to empower and resources to heal. Why don't you say it? Say,
Check
oh yes, check out some of our other videos.
Oh yeah, check out some more. But can I tell you something real quick?
Say that real quick. Say that way.
Wait, what did you tell me to say?
Tell them to look at your other videos.
Look at our other videos.